Got some Carrier Century Series units that are brand new. I shouldn't say brand new, they're about a year or two old. They're from 2025. They all have the new Huron Advanced refrigerant. This one's running. They all have Copeland scroll compressors. There's a couple more. There's a Dakin right here as well. This one's running. There's this Dakin right here. Look at that sound blanket. I get a Copeland scroll. The Carrier. Back in here we got the rest of the Dakins. These are all 2025. I looked 14 SEER. Bunch of Dakins. 14 SEER. That'll be about it. Thanks for watching.